Stock number 11899. This is a 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. White in color, as you see. Does come with a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine. Looks pretty good. Blacked out emblems as well. You also do get general grabber mud tires, as well as a leveling kit put onto this truck, courtesy of Davis Dodge. Dual exhaust system, chrome tips, as you can see. The vehicle also does come with keyless entry, remote start, and push button start. You also do get the limited sport grille as well. Looks really good. Alright, let's take a quick peek on the inside of this Ram 1500. Now currently sitting inside this 2018 Ram 1500. Power locks and windows, headlight controls just up front. Voice, phone, digital speedometer, as well as your cruise control, as well as your gear shifter controls are all located on the steering wheel. Very nice. You have your push button start just behind the wheel, 8-speed transmission just beside, and just below you have your 4x4. You have the Alpine sound system emblem sitting on top of the dash. Looks pretty good. The Uconnect system comes with AM/FM radio, as well as satellite radio, Bluetooth, USB, and aux ports located just inside the center console here. You also do get heated seats up front, as well as a heated steering wheel and a backup camera. Dual climate control, which includes AC defrost and rear defrost. And you also do have controls up top for assist and SOS, as well as garage door openers and controls for your rear sliding window. So come and take a look at this Ram 1500 Sport today at Davis Dodge of Fort Macleod, and let's see if we can't get you in your new ride.